Hey, in this video I want to give you a little bit of an introduction to my product offer and what you can find and expect from me on my channel, because I realized that a lot of people are new here and I've been getting the same question a few times, so I sort of want to clarify it a little bit. Depending on when you're watching this video, I also have a Black Friday promotion of 25% of all of my products, the courses, the templates, you name it. So if you're interested in that, make sure to go to the website and use the code that you can find on the website. Here we can see an overview of my products and what you can find. So first of all, I have templates. This means that it's a do-it-yourself solution, so you can purchase a template that has been professionally designed, which you can apply to your pitch, your product, your project. It doesn't really matter. You can fill it in and it will save you so much time. Now, secondly, I also have courses available. Now, this is more of a learn it yourself approach, like give a man a fish, you'll feed him for a day, teach him how to fish, you'll feed him for a lifetime. So that is what I offer in my programs. We'll go more into depth in a second. Then I also have custom work. So I do a lot of custom work for companies. If you want to have me redesign your slide master or have a look at whatever materials you have available, I'm also available for that. Now then there's also like a fourth option with on-demand training. That is more one-on-one coaching or group sessions and workshops that I do for companies. So this is in a nutshell what I'm offering, but let's have a look at the website to sort of see where you can find everything and what is included in those. And this is the website. Now here at the top, you can already see the different tabs. So there's a course tab, there's templates, there's coaching, about, and contact. So all of these topics that we have discussed, you can find those here. So if you want to learn more, for example, about the templates, that you can click on, and then you can see on top the best-selling template. So this is the recent one that I've launched, which is the Ultimate Light and Dark deck, which is like a corporate deck that you can switch from light to dark. It is pretty impressive. I'll also link it here on the screen so you can sort of see the preview of how it works. It's a pretty cool one. Then I have a bold business deck. Now this is the more minimal version about that. So it's only the light version that you can use, but still the colors, the fonts, everything can be just changed as easily. Now it includes over 100 different slide designs, all professionally designed, professional slide master theme. That is all included in this bold business deck. Now for the people who are looking for more of a one-off project, well, I also have an entire set of decks available here that have just pre-designed layouts. So you can just fill in your content, add your images to the placeholders and sort of use all the designs and all of the layouts that have been made, they can just fill in. Now these exist in different colors, in different sizes, so you can just experiment and play around with those for projects. Now those are more for one-off projects, while the other ones, they really contain solid themes, solid slide masters, so they're a bit more robust to work with. Now also for the templates, there's different tutorials available. So if you go through my YouTube channels or on the page, you can find a lot of information about these templates. You can find reviews from customers who've already purchased them and worked with them. You can all find that here on this page. Now, besides templates, I also have programs available that can teach you everything you need to know about PowerPoint. And here we can see there's two programs that I have at the moment. First of all, on the right here, we can see the fundamentals of slide design. So we're really going to master slide design. What does it mean? Well, in this program, I teach you all the fundamentals of design and how you can make impactful slides that really communicate with impact for your audience. So you'll be able to turn any slide into a good looking slide and really make it jump out and make it memorable for the audience. So there's a set rule of fundamental principles that you can apply to all of your slides, and I'll apply them to corporate presentations, I'll apply them to keynotes, like a variety of different industries, so you can really apply them to whichever industry you're in. And secondly, I have the advanced PowerPoint for business professionals or for professionals. That really goes a bit deeper into the slide master. So there's a few modules where we 10x your presentation efficiency. We learn how to work very efficient in PowerPoint. We'll look at the slide master, how you can turn decks from light to dark in just one simple click, how you really build it from the ground up. And that also means we're going to look at Copilot, how we can make our template Copilot compatible, designer compatible. So you're going to 10x your working efficiency in PowerPoint. Now this is a great course for people who work in a corporate environment and really want to level up their skills. Now the students who've taken it already are super excited about the program and really increased their level of PowerPoint skills by a lot. So this is definitely something, if you work in PowerPoint, check this out. Now, if you want to learn more about these programs, you can just click on Learn More on either one, and that will take you to a dedicated page with more information. So like a video introduction, there's more information about what you'll learn, how you want to achieve it, some frequently asked questions, and also some reviews of the people who have taken the course. You can also go back to the other ones. So if you go to course again and slide fundamentals, here we can see a very similar approach. So like an introduction to the course, what you'll learn, how it will look like, frequently asked questions, and also some examples of students or of the course materials that you'll see. So how you can take a bad slide and really make it impactful. So you see on the top, these are like a common slide mistakes that people make and how we can actually make it more impactful for the audience. So this is really about making impactful slides for your audience. Besides the templates and the programs, if you're a company and you want some help with your designs and your slides, I also have a contact form that you can reach out to, and you can just ask if you want some redesign of presentations. So here you can already fill in a little bit more about the project that you're needing help with, and I'll reach out to you and we'll come to a conclusion on that. Now, as the last thing, you can always book me for example, one-on-one coaching or training your team members in a workshop. That is all possible, virtual and in person. So also, if you have any questions about that, feel free to reach out via the website.